Well, hello, Chris Fry with Whitmix Corporation, along with my partner, Ben Guilford from Whitmix Corporation. And we are getting ready to bring you a video segment series that takes a deeper look into 3D printing and 3D print resins. Just a little bit on my background. I actually got started in 3D printing in 2011, and then I've been with Whitmix since 2014. But during this video series, probably the most important person and the person you're gonna get the most meat from is my partner, Ben Guilford. Ben, over 20 years running labs throughout the United States, speaking throughout the United States. Ben, you wanna take them through a little bit of your, basically your history? And what you've been doing?
So I started out in the laboratory business in 2000, and I have been basically an analog user throughout, obviously, my career. You know, in the past 15 years or so is when we really dove into digital, and my career has kind of just progressed from there. Today we're going to talk more about our digital resins and how they operate and how they function on different types of printers that we have, and some troubleshooting tips that we can go through.
Yeah, Ben most certainly has. You know, we say this all the time, Ben's got the coolest office at Whitmix. He currently, Ben is validating our resins on multiple 3D printers. And so you walk into Ben's office and there's like 12 or 15 3D printers in there. He lives it every day, and that's gonna be a big part of this series. So we're looking forward to you guys being able to see what we're gonna be producing, and then of course coming to us in the end with any questions.